So people are going old school with traditional cards and hand-lettered notes, and what better way to seal it off than with a wax seal? And with this little kit that we have right here, it makes it extremely easy. So this is actually going to heat up in your glue gun, whatever glue gun you have, whether it's low temp or high temp. These are actually a hybrid of kind of a wax and a glue stick. And so it's gonna work with whatever glue gun that you have. If it is a high temp glue gun, you wouldn't wanna run it for more than probably 10 minutes at a time. But other than that, it's gonna work perfectly. We have these really great silicone caps with different designs that just pop onto the handle right here. Really interchangeable and great sentiments. We have some that are icons or phrases like thank you, with love. You're just gonna put a little dab of glue down, stamp it, let it dry, and then you can attach it to your envelope. A really simple and easy way to create a really cool effect. The estimated MSRP retail on this is $19.99, and it should be launching kind of in the third quarter of 2022.